Open up a get there for Martin and his group. And good morning, kia ora.
Kia ora, how are you today?
Good, thank you. Put my little silver chief in there, seeing I picked him.
Oh, now can we do that? Start picking.
Oh!
I should, yeah.
Spit the seed out after you popped and taste that juice. The juice tastes like your strawberry type. That's quite nice. Sorry, breakfast. Did anyone try the red berry yet? They say if it's erupted ever once in its life, then it will kill it up to $1,600 worth of rust done middle of last year, done to the back of my pride and joy. So all the metals, if it's not stainless, starts to rust away. Your orange colour or rust. You've got pink and purple, pink being cinnabar, and purple being your manganese oxide. You see it in the walls around. Yellow and green, that's your sulphur. White in the wall is two things: kaolin clay or Chinese clay, China, and also silica. So we're finding a lot of Chinese clay here. Down at the bottom of the crater, we're seeing water bubbling away. It looks boiling hot, but it's not. We can experience between 10,000 and 12,000 earthquakes in just 1 year. So during the day, you're going to get about 30 to 40 odd earthquakes, very small in this area. Because the plates here, they move constantly. So you get really small shakes, like below magnitude 2 feet. Don't even really get to feel them. Yeah, so Australian plate years that I've worked here, is these trees, they've all started to die. The trees, the plants in here, they're dying. There's vents that weren't here, say last year. There's a vent there that lets us know there's acidic steam. It could be undermining and eating away, but we monitor the path. So as long as we're on the path, we're fine. But like I said, we've estimated about 20 years' time, all of this and the pathway we're walking on will probably end up in there. Due to three smells, you got one, your hydrogen sulfide gas, which is your rotten egg smell. Then you've got two, there's methane in there. So a little bit of methane, which gives you that light poo smell, which is why I think it smells so bad here. And then the petroleum-based oily product, which is floating around and it stained the walls, that's given us another smell as well. So three smells make for one very pungent area. I got a good whiff of that. Wow. Like Tarawera Okataina, again, big holes they filled in and created lakes. Our biggest lake was formed 27,000 years ago. Again, big volcanic eruption happened, made a massive hole in the ground, rainwater, streams, and they all started ponding in here. We don't have a lake in our volcano because we have a natural drain called the Waikato River. It starts at Lake Taupo, goes all the way to Auckland. So rather than sitting and ponding here, the water gets taken away with their natural drain. Fully covered. They come and go as well with different colours every now and again. This was all created because of these champagne pools, that big steaming pool over here. That was formed 700 years ago. Now it brings the minerals and the hot water across and spreads them all around. Yeah, so Yep, so they're eating bloodworms, sandfly larvae. You're seeing all the footprints down here. They wade around in the silt. They're called the pied stilts. And they have very long legs and a long beak, and they come and sift through the silt and the mud. They're looking for sandfly larvae called bloodworms. So millions, if not billions, of sandfly larvae just kicking it in here. Yeah, they bite you, right? Yeah. So 2 or 3 times. The reason why we've been voted one of 20 most real places in the world. This is its good side too. Its famous side. I have a good side and a famous side too. It's my left side. So all over YouTube. So this pool, we've called it Champagne because of the CO2 gas bubbles. We see them. We hear them every now and again, fizzing away. So CO2, carbon dioxide, that's in your Coca-Cola and it's in your champagne. So rather than calling it the Coca-Cola pool, we've called it champagne.
A bit more classy.
Yeah, a bit more classy. So Champagne Pool is a 700-year-old hydrothermal eruption crater. We've seen collapsed craters. That was acidic steam that ate the earth. This is when water expanded into steam that blew this hole apart. So it's called a hydrothermal eruption crater. Do you think there might be life in here? Like a fish, maybe a lobster? There's nothing we can eat, but there is life in here. The life that survives here is single-celled cyanobacteria. Single-celled bacteria. They live on the edge of the pool. And that's spiky. Excuse me. Oh no.
Is this noise we're hearing? Is this?
It's just gas bubbling through.
And does that vary? Or, I mean, is that all? Yeah.
No, it always makes this noise, but sometimes it's less.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually. Yeah, this is actually quite.
It is like a washing machine.
Yeah,
You know,
It sounds exactly like
Yeah,
all this
exactly.
water.
yeah. Yes. Yes.
After that, exploded twice. And they all wanted the same photo on the edge of the pool. It was my idea. So we got the bird's nest and then we got the dragon's nest. So I've always sort of seen it when I first started. I said, let's look at the dragon. My boss sort of looked at me a bit funny with the changing of bosses and stuff and the changing of rebranding the place. We have to change lots of things. A lot of the things that say the devil in it, we don't want them here anymore. So like the Devil's Ink pots, they've all been changed with the changing of the guide map. It'll be all brought out this year. But the Devil's Bath, the next thing, the level does fluctuate with wind and rain. Where it is right now, it is at its highest point. We wouldn't get too much higher than that. The only thing that would give us a bit more height would be rain and a southerly wind. The southerlies blow more water from the Champagne Pool down and over that, or under the bridge we cross, and then we get more water down here. That's the only thing that would bring us up a little bit more. We initially thought it was about waist high. No.
Well, I can see it.
Oh, yeah, I think I'll stand here and watch rather than dive in. Oh, gosh. It is, isn't it? So those people.
I'll show you.
It worked itself out really.
Wobbling mud back there.
There was a time when they put the water back
just poured it into the Waikato, but you can only have so many two-headed fish before you start to think, oh, we're doing something wrong. So the clever little engineers found a way of putting the water back whence it came.
Once you cool it off, it's okay. It's just you need
Well, they
to
don't
cool
even
it
bother to cool it now, they just pour it back into the ground.
off. Oh.
So
Flooding operation. Because people putting it locked somewhere and go because people can go all the valves or whatever doing it with the big.
Why do you apply for it? Put it on the film.
Pardon?
There's a slide I can't. I placed one.
well, that's false.
Oh, yes, you said it. I did. Who did?
False.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like fake.
No, they do. You're not supposed to, but they do.
Do they?
A little
What, down
escalator.
there?
Yeah.
No.
What?
The ideas are
It's pretty easy to
Yeah.
get into trouble.
Yeah, that's it. But you might get better pictures.
Take your foot.
Yeah, leave. Don't let me stop you.
Well, quite honestly, we're going to go up that cloud in the cold. I'm not sure what happens.
Yeah, we'll just go around where that other one was, and then we're good to go.
Over that ridge. Down over there.
How long do you get up? What's this for?
Oh, that's it. Walking over. Take the kids up to the top of Happy Valley. How long do you want?
How long are we going to be here?
Well, how long do you want?
Half hour.